This is a game I had back at the end of 2014. I ran my Amoeba M4 and a Jim Blue Blade. I hope you guys like it. I wanted to get farther up, but I was surprised at how fast the other team moved. As soon as I saw that their main two guys had been taken out, I felt it was going to be pretty easy to move up towards their kill house. This was my first game in a while, so I really wanted to take it slow and not push it too hard and roll an ankle. I was really out of practice. At some point, people will learn not to put their gun barrels through a window. I was a little bit close for that shot, but I aimed for his lower stomach. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I've got a couple more videos from last year I need to put out. Can't wait to airsoft with you guys in 2015. Take it easy.